Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Paul. Hadn't spoken in a while. Thought I'd let some of my subscribers know out there I can still talk. I was up looking at some of my cars collected over the years. These are Athearn, ready to roll, 3-bay, pre-made wood chip cars that are basically all put together by Athearn, and you know, look pretty good. They've all got the newer style grab irons and fittings, and I think I've got 18 of these, and I'm not sure I've ever run them all together, but did discover 2 batches that need some Katie's put on them, which everything else has Katie's on it, so I need to get around and get that task done. But anyways, just to give you a little run by, these are all of my Southern wood chip cars. When I got them, I think most of them came from 2010, and I thought I saw an Athearn listing on their website showing they were going to come out again with this exact model with yet some additional road numbers. These are one of those kind of cars that if you didn't get it when they first came out, I can't even remember seeing these. Maybe once or twice in the last few years, but basically the people who wanted them pretty much snatched them up. And so if you ever get a chance of laying your hands on these, they're really beautiful cars. And I wasn't sure. I was, always eyeballing my stuff, looking at different things I might want to sell along the way. And I was thinking I might get rid of these, but put together as a whole, they make a very decent unit train of wood chips. And having all the different road numbers, I think, really makes them look unique, more realistic. A little bit of weathering here and there would definitely improve their appearance. Also took out one of my transfer cabooses. This is one that came with a roof walk, that I actually took the roof walk completely off, and I think, yeah, I did add the firecracker antenna on this side, kind of to finish it off. But that's a really nice model. I did a close-up on these on my caboose roundup, and very nice little cars. Well, appreciate you watching. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing and clicking on the notifications, and I'll talk to you next time. Take care.